everyone, it's Sammy, and today I have some Christmas cards to share with you. I ended up making these for the girls' dance teachers, and I was just really in a happy-go-lucky mood making these, and I went all out with these. I made layers upon layers. I did die cutting, I did Copic coloring, I put rhinestones on, I made little envelope gift cards, I even decorated the inside of these. I can't show the other thing, but I put some snowflakes on the inside. I even decorated the envelopes, and I just went all out. I thought in my head I was going to do some sort of snowflake card with a Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas across it, add a little bit of ribbon. I just did not know how crazy I was going to go with these, so I went full on, all out with these. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and they are really dimensional. You can see there's two different layers of dimension on these. The circle layer is dimensional, and also the craft layer is also dimensional. So I really like how these turned out. I'm going to walk through supplies really quick. Clearly I'm not going to demonstrate because I already made these, and the reason I wanted a card to begin with is I got gift cards for them from a local coffee shop, and I just made the little envelopes. I used the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, and this was the Stampin' Up! Brand one, but you can get these just from We Are Memory Keepers, from scrapbook.com or wherever, and I ended up making the smallest size here for gift card. It says right there. So I used 5x5 papers and then scored at the 2-inch line. So they turned out really cute. I love how they look. I did a little washi tape on there. These are made with Echo Park dots and stripes paper, which is beautiful. I love any Echo Park paper, but especially any of their like basic patterns like that. And then this is all hand done, no pattern paper or anything. I ended up using quite a few stamp sets for this. The main two stars of the show are the snowflakes and the little marshmallow guy, so I ended up using some rhinestones. These are just from one of those like diamond painting rhinestone kits that Olivia had. These are left over, so I just put them in with my scrap supplies and stuck them on with some Tombow glue. And then as far as circles, I used the stitched circles. A couple of different companies make these. I think these ones are actually Simon Says Stamp ones, but I know other companies make them. And then also the scallops, and these are by Spellbinders. These like golden colored ones are Spellbinders. And then as far as stamp sets, I did the sentiment with two different stamp sets because this one is just the big ones. It's big scripty words. I also have the matching die, so I ended up cutting out the die as well. And then I had to find a stamp that said holidays that was a nice like graphic font. So I picked out this one from Lawn Font. It is Winter Penguin. And I had a few different choices for that holidays word, but that one's the one I thought looked the best. And all of the darker ink is either the Memento cocoa color or just espresso ink from Stampin' Up! And I just realized I did not color in their buttons, so I'm going to do that really quick. I colored the little marshmallow guys in with Copics, of course. I'm going to just pick a dark color to color their little buttons there. I just totally forgot their little buttons. I just realized that when I was talking to you guys, so I'll color those in really quick. And I tried to make the marshmallows look a little bit toasted around the edges, and I'm like, oh, they just look like dirty marshmallows, but we're gonna go with it. I think like people will understand that they're marshmallows, hopefully. I don't know, they look a little funny, but I ended up using Copics. I do have like my Copic favorite colors on a different video. You can check that out if you're interested. And then the snowflakes were prismatic snowflakes. This is a Simon Says stamp set. I love this. I thought I had a couple of other snowflake sets, but I didn't have one that I thought I had. So I used this one, and I think they look really cute. And then as far as the little marshmallow guy, this was a Simon Says stamp collaboration with Pink and Maine over the Stamp Timber, and it sold out so quick. I ended up looking really late at night, getting this, and they had already sold out of the die cut set that matched. So I didn't end up getting the die cut set with this one, but I did end up with the little snowman marshmallow guys. And then as far as the sentiment on the inside, I used this one. It says Happy Holidays and sending every good wish for the coming new year. And this is an old Stampin' Up! Set. It may or may not still have it. I have no idea. And then the ribbon is also Stampin' Up! I've had this in my collection forever. And then what else? The washi tape, I'm pretty sure this was Freckled Fawn washi tape. I'm going to washi tape the flap closed as well, and then I'll put the names on the front. So I didn't show the inside because I already wrote a little note to each teacher, and then I'll write their names on the envelopes. But I was really happy with how these turned out. I spent way too much time playing in here. I thought I would just, you know, spend a good 20 minutes making some cards, making something simple that I could put a gift card with, and then I just went all out, guys. I just was having so much fun. I have not made cards or scrapbooked or anything in months and months and months, and it was so nice, like getting back in here, working on it. And yeah, I really want to make more. I was like, oh, I only have 3 to make. I need more cards to make. So I'll end up making a few cards for friends coming up soon, but I need to get these ones out this week because dance ends at the end of this week. So I hope you guys like this quick look at the cards that I whipped up. I hope it'll give you a little bit of inspiration. I really had fun making these, like way too much fun in here today. And yeah, I'm so excited to make something. It's been a while since I've done anything crafty. Even crocheting I haven't been really doing lately. I've just been doing planner launch season stuff. So if you're into planners and planner decorating and all that stuff, check out my other channel because I have been doing tons of planner videos. That is it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe. I have not been posting regularly on this channel, so being subscribed is the best way to see when I post new videos. And yeah, that's it. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.